Okay, today I'm going to be showing you guys the Breville Barista Touch Espresso Machine. We got it here, so there's a lot of different options that you can make. So whether you want an espresso, a latte, you know, there's a lot of different options here, hot milk. Today we're going to be making a latte, so we're going to show you how to make a latte with this machine. So first you're going to press latte. Make sure that there's water in the back. The water tank is easily able to take on and off. Also the beans in the top, so that is also very easy to take on and off as well. So the first thing you want to do is take your funnel and put it on the portafilter, this little ground holder thing that you got, and then you're going to put it in to get the grounds and press it. Depends on the ground, but you're going to start grounding your beans right into this part right here. The beans are coming from up there. Got the beans up top there. You can see it is grounding and it is almost done. When it's done, you'll take it out. Next, you're going to take the tamper and you're going to tamp the grounds down so they're nice and flat. Pressing them down right there. You can put the tamper back. It's got a nice spot in the Breville that it easily sits. Now it's time to get like the coffee part of the latte. So you're going to put it on, twist and lock. Then you're going to grab your mug, put it underneath, and let's press the button up top on the touchscreen to start getting this part of the latte. As you can see, it will start dripping slowly. There it is coming out right into the mug. Now it's time to steam the milk. So we got this milk in this little mug here. This mug does come with the Breville. Adding a couple flavor shots, because why not? We got the steamer all the way on the right side here. So let's put the mug in the steamer. Press that milk button right there, and let's get this milk nice and steamed and frothy. So there we go. There we have it. It's almost done. All right, the milk is done. So we're going to want to clean this little stem off. We've got a little towel there that we use. First, let's make the latte though. Pouring the latte in. Do a little design at the top, because why not? Ooh, that looks yummy. So let's clean this stem off. So just cleaning it off. And then what's really cool, it actually automatically cleans itself too. So once you put it back, it starts spitting some water to make sure that the sprout does not have any milk stuck in it. So it's going to clean itself in that aspect as well. Very cool. That's the Breville. That's what you're going to get. And that's how we made our latte. Just throwing out the grounds here, the puck at the end.